So what we're going to do is we're going to do 2 exercises. And we're going to do the same exercise 2 different ways. And quite simply, what they're going to involve is they're going to involve reading the book. So when actors perform, often what they think they need to do is they think they need to demonstrate to an audience what they're doing. So they think they need to heighten what they're doing in order for the audience to understand it, to communicate it. So you're going to read the book, but you're going to demonstrate the fact that it's the most interesting, amazing book you've ever engaged with, but you really need to show us and you need to demonstrate how amazing it is. So that's the first exercise you're going to do. So we'll do that. Then what you'll do is you'll repeat the exercise, but simply reading the book. And you're going to tell us kind of which one feels the most natural. Because as the director, acting teacher, Sanford Meisner said, what we need to do when we're on stage is we need to really do things if we can. And this he called the reality of doing. Okay? So, first thing I want you to do is I'm going to say 3, 2, 1, action. And then I want you to demonstrate reading the book and demonstrate how kind of enthralled you are and interested you are in what you're reading. Okay?
Okay.
Great. Okay? So when you're ready, 3, 2, 1, action. Okay, that's great. You can stop there. So how does that feel?
Just unnatural.
Yeah,
just weird.
It looks really weird. Okay, so what we're now going to do is you're just going to simply read the book. Okay? So again, I'll count you in. 3, 2, 1, action. And relax. Great, thank you.